video, I'm going to explain a program on sine series. So sine series is a series which is used to find the value of sine x, where x is the angle in degree, which is converted to radian. And the formula used to express the sine x is sine x is equal to x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial, which is the sum of terms with alternate plus and minus terms. So if at all we observe, cos series is the sum of terms with alternate plus and minus terms. So that is even terms, and here sine series is a combination of plus and minus with odd terms. Now, for example, let's take the value of x to be 30. So this x is converted into radians using pi by 180. So that is converted into radians, where we got the value to be 0.52359. So this value is substituted in the series, and the final value of sine 30 is, the angle is 0.5. Now, let's get into the programming part. So header files have been included. A main return type void. I and n are the variables declared to integer return type, and x, sum and t are the variables declared to float. So first the computer reads the value, or the user enters the value of x and n. Then x is converted into radians. So here the sine series starts with x. So sum, the value of x is being assigned to sum, and even t is also been assigned to sum. Now this is the loop to calculate the value of sine series, and I is the counter variable for the for loop. So this is the formula to calculate the value of sine t value, the term value, each and every individual term value, and finally the each and every term after getting the value is being added to the sum. Once the execution is being done, once the condition is being satisfied, depending upon the n value, comes out of the loop, and the value of x and sum are being printed. Now here is the working procedure. So the value of x is 45 and n is equal to 4. Now this is converted into radians. So where we got the value 0.705398. So t is assigned the value x and sum is also x. So t and x holds the same value. So it assigns the value of I is equal to 1. When I is equal to 1 and the loop continues till the condition of the for loop is satisfied or true. Now coming to the first step, I less than or equal to n, so 1 less than or equal to 4. So for loop condition is true, so term value is being calculated, and then this is added to the sum, where we got the sum value here. So similarly, I increments to 2, we get a new term value, and it has been added to the sum. Similarly for 3, 4 and 5, we get the values. So when I is equal to 5, if at all we observe 5 is not less than or equal to 4, so it is not true. So for loop condition is false. It comes out of the loop and prints the value. Now let's see to the compilation. No errors. So I can take 30, number of terms 4, so value 0.5. And now as such for 45 we'll see. So this is the value. So we can trace out the program using F7 also. So F7 is basically used for line by line interpretation of the program. So till the condition is satisfied, loop gets executed and comes out of the loop. No problem. Error checking also is one of the most important concepts in programming, rectifying the error also. So this is how your output is for Sine Series. Thank you.